Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. I was just out driving and my tyre pressure monitoring system in this vehicle has told me that the right rear tyre is underinflated. I quickly stopped and the pressure isn't completely flat, so I've kept on driving to a service station. Now, I actually did a tyre rotation on this car this morning, so I suspect that's actually what's triggered it. But anyway, we've stopped in the service station, so the first thing to do is actually check that the pressures are all at the correct pressure, which I'll do straight away, and then we'll get into resetting that TPMS sensor. All right, so just quickly running around inflating all of the tyres to the right pressure. Okay folks, so I've checked all of the tyre pressures and they're all as I would expect. So this TPMS sensor has literally been triggered because of the tyre rotation that I did today. So what we're going to do is we'll switch the ignition on and then we'll reset the TPMS sensor. As you can see, it's still telling me that it thinks the rear is underinflated. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just get the camera in position where you can see both the instrument cluster and the right indicator stalk, because on the bottom of the indicator stalk there's a button we're going to press. Okay, now you see it's popped up the menu on the dashboard. Now if this menu doesn't come up to start with, just keep pressing that button on the bottom until you see this menu on the dashboard. Now what we want to do is we want to get the arrow up to the set position. And to do that, there's these buttons on the stalk here. So I'll press the top one of those up to set. And then we're going to press the bottom button under the stalk again. And you can see it's got a number of preferences here. So we want to go down to tyre pressures. So I'll press the button on the bottom at the end of the stalk to go to tyre pressure. Then we'll press the button underneath the indicator stalk. If pressures of all four tyres have been checked, please store. Store now. So I'll press the button on the bottom of the indicator stalk. And we want to go up to confirm. So we'll use the button at the top of the end of the stalk. And now the button at the bottom underneath the indicator stalk. The current tyre pressures have been stored. So there you go folks, that's how to reset the TPMS sensor. I'll now just start the car and show you that all of the warnings have gone away. So there you go, all of those tyre pressure warnings have now gone away. So there you go folks, that's how to reset the tyre pressure monitoring system in either your Volkswagen or Audi. If you have found this video helpful today, do remember to hit that like button. And if you're interested in any other DIY content for Volkswagens, Audis, or any other general vehicles, do remember to hit that subscribe button. But until then, have a good evening.